Ki kubuat hati paman nakasngi. Skobha subscribe ya Udon Bok Official Production.
If we feel that we are going to create trouble, this is a democratic expression of opinions. And you can arrest. No, there is a law that you can arrest person on the preventive detention. You can arrest us if you feel that we are going to create trouble. If you feel that you have sufficient ground to proceed with this section 144 CRPC, you go ahead. No, you are just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service. But don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, you
tell me what is kaya katakalan? Oh, this is violent. Is this violent?
Home Minister,
you mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine. The central leadership should know the truth. Mendai bansu darab jat repair surok tang perwan ke central leadership ka tarong ka igidukan.
Sir, all those issues
we cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
You are a representative service. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the...
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngingin ko ajing kelumar, kako ajing kelumar ke sorkar. Kalau aku ajukan ke district administration, dan kami kata, kami kampun wet, tapi mud bangang bahkan kam sup kan kam jai le dengan song nang ni, minum ki nang ni, ni boleh ngim lah apa ni? Bani penduk yo officer pelafon dengan ongan dia penduk, dangal ai penduk ong tu ngin sekren dan ngin saya rai, menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani penduk, ngim lah ban rai. What we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Yeah, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of attention. That if he so attention, he so tikna yung itaptiar line up ingi check ingi way. Dia nak tahu konbi kata ngal ada keren. Bala lagi government kita, government. Oh, ini penting nak red.
Saha